Today we will discuss why forex trading takes more time. We have already uploaded a video on why forex trading takes more time and we have discussed a few topics there. That was the first part and today's video is the second part. Here we will discuss some more important things that take you more time to learn forex. So I would urge you, those who don't see our first video, please watch this video. A lot has been discussed there. So be sure to check it out first. So hello viewers, I'm an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. And those who want to see this type of video and want to see forex related tips and tricks, please follow this playlist. Here you will find all tips and tricks. And those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. Forex is a place where there are no specific time to learning. Many of you may know that there is no specific time in forex. No one can say I will learn it in 1 year or I will learn it in 6 months. Someone comes here and make him skillful in 6 months, and someone can't develop himself as a skillful person in 6 years. Forex is a place where there is no end to learning. No one will ever be able to say that I have absolutely finished learning. So there is no end to learning here. So one of the reasons it takes more time to learn here is use of different indicators. We all know about indicator and have used more or less many indicator. Everyone wants an indicator that will help a lot, but indicator are one of the things that will help you in your analysis, but we make mistake when we use it. This is our big problem. Many people use more than 2 or 3 indicator in their analysis, which is a big mistake in trading, because it will give you a different signal from each indicator. Then you will be confused. There are many people who use a pair of indicators for 2 weeks or 1 month and then throw it away. They never want to understand that if an indicator is to be successful in a month, then everyone would come up as a skillful forex trader in a month. 1 month is nothing to learn forex. It's just a number. So you must use indicator in the right way for your own career. If you use an indicator for a month and then throw it away, then you will have to throw every indicator in every month. So whatever you follow, try to master it with your maximum effort. The next one is that many people follow many trading system in forex. Forex has many trading systems such as scalping, swing trading, price action trading, and trend trading. There are many uses of this trading system, but we don't know what to do, and we trade without knowing everything. That's why we lose and it takes more time. Each has some uses and rules, such as those who have short balance, they do scalping. Again, there are certain times for scalping when it works well. Besides, scalping has to be done in small time frame, but how many of them apply after knowing it? Everyone runs after a strategy. We don't want to know everything, so we must keep in mind that you are learning a lot strategy, no problem, you can learn, but you must learn the strategy or the trading system perfectly. You should know what time is suitable for that strategy, what time frame is suitable, or which pair is suitable. So of course, when you learn something, try to learn all the details. It will be helpful for your trading. Then the next reason is that weak in basic. Forex is traded by many, but how many traders have cleared their basic? Maybe you are watching the video, but your basic is not clear, but you have been trading in forex for many months. There are many traders who have been doing demo trading for a long time and have experience in real trading, but still don't know how to place pending order. So who will lose in this case? Suppose you want to learn to drive, but you don't know the basic. Then you get in the car to learn. So when the instructor says to you, press the accelerator, you will look at him with a smile because you don't know what an accelerator is. So this means your basic is not clear. If you join a signal group and they give you a pending order, but you don't know how to place a pending order, so can we make a profit by this? There are many signal groups who provide write 80 to 90% pending order, but you don't know how to place a pending order, then you will have total loss, because if they give 10 signal, 8 of them will be pending, then you will miss 8 signal. In that case, you will not be profitable because you don't know how to apply. There are so many important things that many traders don't know. Many traders don't know how to do fundamental analysis or how to do technical analysis, and they don't understand, but they have experience in real trading. So in this case, you can't expect anything good. You all probably know that in order to be a profitable, you need to have a skill on a good strategy, but to be a skillful, you need to know the basic very well. Otherwise, you will not understand the strategy well. Suppose we discussing a strategy and we say when you see a bearish candle in this position in the market, you will make a entry, but you don't understand what is bearish candle is, then you can't learn a strategy well because your basic is not clear. Basic is the more important thing in everywhere, so clear your basic first. Now the question may come to your mind, how we will clear this basic? There is no reason to worry. FOREX BD has already published many videos about basic. Those who have problem in basic, please watch this playlist. Here are the video you can make your basic clear. So of course clear your basic first. Not only basic video, here you will find all types of video related to Forex. You can find basic video, you can find strategy for beginners, and you can find strategy for expert trader. So follow the playlist what you need. And if you want to follow a good signal group, you can follow this group. They work internationally, so hopefully you will get good service. Moreover, they have 90% pending order. So viewers, hopefully you can understand our today's video, and hopefully you can clear your basic by watching our video. So viewers, before finishing the video, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friends, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.